welcome to Class Clowns. Welcome to Class Clowns. Today we're reviewing a prank, a nut can prank. It's a snake nut can. Today we're gonna check out the box. So look at that. Gotcha. Mixed nuts. I hope I don't get hurt. Got some every time. And that was smart. Classic. Gotcha. Okay, today we're gonna open it now. How much dollars is it? $69. Let me see. No, $3.99. Oh yeah. Okay, let's open this. Yeah, let's do this. Thank you everyone. Thank you. Come on. Oh gosh. Okay. This is by Spencer's. It's at Spencer's and by the Classic Gang. And also it's a snake nut can. So it's a snake. So let's test this on people. Check our other video that we tested on other people. On the Snappy Gum. On our older sister that she doesn't know this is real peanuts. Bye everyone.